Select teeth you will be working on. Selecting at least one tooth at lower arch enables you to add lower model STL, draw mandibular curve, and draw the inferior alveolar nerve. Selecting at least one tooth at upper arch enables you to add upper model STL and draw maxillary curve. Once you select the curve, it will be automatically generated. After curve generation, you can move the whole curve. Drag existing points, add new ones using left click or delete points using right click. Edits will appear instantly on the generated panorama. Same applies for the maxillary curve. Generating mandibular panoramic curve will enable you to draw the inferior alveolar nerve. Click on the Draw Nerve button. Start adding points either on cross-section cuts or the panorama. Then click Finish. You can also adjust the nerve diameter. Now you can start adding your STL scanned models. Remember that enabling this option depends on the position of the selected teeth. Windows Explorer will open and you can select the model from the disk. By loading the model, it will be automatically registered and matched to the CT constructed model. You can rematch the model manually by placing at least 3 similar points on the model and the 3D reconstructed model. You can also move or rotate the model on the 2D cuts. Selecting Optimize Fitting will usually give best results. With the same steps for adding model, you can add the antagonist model and registered bite scan. It will be relatively matched to fit the occlusion. Here you can change labels of the models and adjust their color. Now you are ready for implant positioning.